Let's find C in the kitchen. Wow, look at this kitchen, Adi. Let's see how many things we can find that start with the letter C.
I'm ready. Let's cook and discover some tasty treasures.
Look, Adi. Cookies. C is for cookie. Let's bake some more.
They smell amazing. I'll be the taste tester.
Look at these. Cupcakes. C is for cupcake.
Let's decorate some. We can add sprinkles and cherries on top.
Here's another C. Carrots. C is for carrot.
Crunchy and healthy. Perfect for a snack.
Hi friends, guess what's in my crate?
Cream, cheese, and cucumbers. Perfect for our adventure.
Thanks, Arjun. You're the best.
Happy to help. C is for crate too.
We did it! Cookies, cupcakes, carrots, cream cheese, and cucumbers. What a fun adventure.
And everything tastes so good.
I can't wait to see what letter we'll explore next.
Let's learn how to write C. Pull back and around.
Now we learned C, let's learn D in next part. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.